Hey guys, welcome. Hope everyone's doing okay. Okay, so today we're going to go over Allure beauty boxes. Probably, I would say maybe the second week of March, maybe the first week of March, I did a new subscription to Allure beauty box. And so I figured I probably wouldn't get it until April, like the April box would be my first one, but I actually did get the March box. It just came late. I received the March box around April 9th, and then I got my April box 2 or 3 days ago. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you both since I have both of them. So the first one is going to be the March box. This did come with 2 add-on items. Excuse me. This box is $15 a month. And this particular box, because I did get a new subscription, came with 2 add-on items. And this is what the box looks like on the inside. And it's wrapped in tissue. And then you get a little booklet that tells you about all your products and why they picked them. And first let me show you the 2 add-on. This is what the inside. You do get, I believe, 5 items each month is what's in here, and they are going to be both full-size and deluxe samples. The add-on items, we got a Glam Glow. This is the Super Mud Clearing Treatment right here. And this is just a deluxe sample size. I did use this once, and it was a good face mask. It did have a very licorice smell, which I did not like. If you like the smell of licorice, you'll probably like it. That's really the only thing I didn't like. It does work well. It even looks like licorice. It's like a charcoal mask. And then when it dries like really pale gray and makes your face all crunched up, and then you rinse it off. And then the other one, this is the one I'm really excited about. I've never tried anything from Ofra, and this is the Ofra highlighter. This one is the Ofra Nikki Tutorials highlighter in Everglow. These colors are amazing. I see why everyone loves these so much. This lightest color one here is the only one that I can use as a highlighter, but these other 2 are going to be great as eyeshadows. I'm actually wearing the highlighter today, if you can tell. Let's see. It is really, really nice and glowy. I'll do a little swatch of these. But this is a great one because it's got something for every skin tone. So this is like a nice little palette for that. Look at these. So pretty. Those are gorgeous. Okay. Of course I didn't. Oh wait, I got a tissue. Okay. Then here's the items that actually came in the box here. The first one is by, I guess, Loué by Jean Seo, and it's called Erase, Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. This is a powder, and you just put some of this in your hands, and then you add some warm water to it to make a paste, and then you rub it on your face to exfoliate. I used this one time, and I actually really like this. It's a nice, gentle exfoliator. If you want a stronger exfoliation, you can add less water, but I have sensitive skin, and I can't over exfoliate, so this was really good. It does smell exactly like oatmeal, so it smells like you're putting oatmeal all over your face, so if you don't like that, this might turn you off, but otherwise, if you have sensitive skin and need a gentle exfoliator, this is really good. If you hear scratching, my cat is trying to get in here and he's scratching on the door. So, okay, that's that. Then we have a Maimond, let's see if we can get it correct here, Rose Water Toner. And I did use this one time. It smells great. It smells just like rose water, which I love. And yeah, it was nice and refreshing and left my skin feeling nice and clean. Then the next item is an Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner in black. I've used these before. These are a good pencil liner. They're very dark, and once they kind of dry down, they last a very long time. These you have to, if you want to smudge them, you have to work really fast, because once you put it on, you gotta start smudging immediately, because once it dries, it does not move. Then we have from Floss. This is just a clear lip gloss here. It says my new favorite lip gloss. And let's see. Oh no, I can hear my cats meowing. Oh, it smells like coconut. I did try this once and I liked it. It was just a good clear lip gloss. Let me put it on over this. It's not sticky, which is really nice. Yeah, just a nice everyday clear lip gloss. And then the last thing in here is by Roth, and it's a mascara. It says Glam Lash Mascara XXL Extreme Black Lash Maximizer for amplified volume. I have not tried this yet. I already have some mascaras that I'm using right now, so I don't want to open this and let it dry out and get expired. So we're just going to wait on this. But yeah, that is everything in my box. Let's see the values in this little pamphlet. The mascara is full size and it's $28. And it's by a UK brand. Roth, yeah, Roth is a UK brand. Then we have the Rosewater Toner, and the full size is $16.10. That is a sample size. And then the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0 is $22 for the full size. That is a sample size. Then we have the, let's see, the lip gloss. That is a full size and it's $16. Oh, and then the last thing I forgot, because I already used this. It did come with this face mask. There's two different types here. I received the ceramide one, and I did use it already, and it was just, it's a sheet mask. Like, a sheet mask is a sheet mask. It didn't do anything amazing. Those are $3, and those are really good. And then that exfoliating and brightening powder, full size. It doesn't say if this is full size or not, I'm not sure, but the full size is $15. So those are the prices. And that's everything in that box. Yeah, I'm really excited about all this stuff. Everything I've tried so far has been nice. That highlighter is my absolute favorite thing. And then now we will get to April's box. And April's box looks like this on the inside. And here's the little pamphlet, this one, and then open it up, it looks like this. And this right here is the Victor and Roth Flower Bomb perfume. This is one of those perfumes that I want to love. I wish I liked it, but it just doesn't smell good on me. I don't know. I think I'm weird. I find that a lot of fragrances that I like the smell on other people, but then I try it myself, it smells terrible on me. This is one of those. This is such an adorable little bottle. This is so cute. But like I said, I've smelled this at the store. I've had samples of this. I've tried it before. I didn't like it, so I'm going to pass this along to somebody that will. Then the next thing in here is by Thrive Cosmetics, and this is the Fuller Lip Liner in the shade Felicia. And it looks like it's going to be a bright hot pink. I've never used anything by this brand, so I'm excited. I do like lip liners. Oh yeah, it's definitely a nice hot pink, which I don't have a lip liner in this shade, but I do have lipsticks in this shade. This is really nice and thin. Let's do a swatch right here. Oh, that's very creamy, went on really nice. And that's a pretty color, I like that shade. Okay, so I'm very excited about that. Then, next we have by Acar Skin. This is a balanced toner. It says Tibetan Inspired Beauty. Ooh, this is a nice glass bottle. Oh, I really like this bottle. It's pretty. It's nice and simple. And yeah, it's just a balanced toner. Let's see if it smells like anything. It smells like witch hazel. I'm excited about that. You can never have enough toner. I am going to use that Rosewater toner up first from the other box, and then I'll use this one. And then next we have by Ava NYC Maine Magic Multi Benefit 10-in-1 Primer. So this is going to be for your hair. And it says it's powered by argan oil, sunflower seed oil. It's 100% vegan, no sulfates, no parabens, and no phthalates. detangling, frizz fighting, and heat protecting. Oh, I'm excited about that. I do like some good, especially frizz. I always have like all these little flyaway frizzy parts up here at the top, so I'm always looking for something like that. But hopefully, since I do have fine thin hair, a lot of that weighs my hair down a lot, so we'll try this out and hopefully it's not too heavy and weighs my hair down. Then next, oh, this is also by that same brand, that Allure by Jean-Sio, or Jean-Sio, by that same brand. And this is going to be a balancing, hydrating, and calming serum. Oh, nice. Use morning and night. Look how this is nice and clear. It looks like it's going to be nice and hydrating. Wonder if it smells like anything. Oh, it literally smells like aloe vera gel, even though it doesn't have aloe vera in the ingredients. But okay, I'm excited about that. Then we have this little, oh, this is by Dr. Jart. Oh, I'm excited. I've never tried this, and I've seen this, and I've been interested in it. This is the Cica pear. This is tiger grass color correcting treatment. Neutralizes redness and protects skin, improves skin appearance to be vibrant, broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. Okay, so we're gonna have to read about this, but there's not a lot in here. It's a very small little sample, and it's green. It smells very medicinal. Let's read it. Okay, there's one more product. We'll go over that, and then we'll read what else, like more information on these. Then we have a face mask, and this is going to be watermelon. I haven't used any kind of watermelon skincare, but I know a lot of that's been going around lately. By Purely's Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask, moisturizing and soothing all skin types, normal to oily. So I'm excited about that. I bet that smells good too. Okay, so let's read what we have here. Okay, let's go over the stuff. We have the Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb Perfume full size. I knew it was expensive. The full size for 1.7 ounces is $115. So yeah. Then we have the Thrive Cosmetics Lip Filler Long Wearing Plus Plumping Lip Liner. And this one is a full size, and it is $20. And we have the Ava NYC Maine Magic 10-in-1 Primer. That one full size is $12. I believe this is just a deluxe sample. And then that Hydrating and Calming Serum, this one here, the full size is $15. And then, okay, the Cica pear. This stuff here, this is a cream. It's meant to work as a tinted moisturizer, color corrector, and sunscreen all rolled into one. Okay, so that sounds interesting. Said it neutralizes all the issues, consistently red skin, cannot speak, hormonal acne. It says it can, instead of turning to foundation, for those days that you want a light swipe of, hold on, where am I at? Okay, instead of like putting on a full foundation for those days that you just want like a light tint to your skin, you can put this instead of foundation on, or you can put this on underneath your foundation. Okay, so this is going to be interesting. So it's supposed to turn from this green clay looking stuff to like a beige color and look like a tinted moisturizer. So I wonder if it would work for all skin tones or just for light skin. This is going to be really interesting. Okay, we're gonna try some of this on my hand and see what happens. Because I'm really curious how this green stuff turns to. Okay, we're gonna put it on my hand here. There's nothing on my hand. I didn't try anything on here, and okay, you can definitely see it turn beige. It definitely does not look like it would work for all skin tones. It's very yellow too. You see that? Like here's my other hand next to it. Can you? It's on this hand. Can you see how yellow? I don't know. Maybe you can't on here. Okay, let me finish rubbing this in, and then we will look at this. Okay, so it's on this hand here. Do you see any difference between my hands? I guess I did not rub that part in. This one looks a little more yellow to me. in person. Yeah, okay, I can definitely see it blended in some like discoloration imperfections. But I definitely feel like it left my skin a little more yellow and kind of dewy, like almost has a dewy finish. Anyways, let's show you up close. Very interesting. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's everything in the April box. I'm excited about that. Next month when we get the May box, I'll kind of give you an update on the stuff that was in the April box and what worked out for me and what didn't. And I hope you like this video. I hope you're doing okay. I know things are about to start slowly reopening, so that's kind of nice. We'll see how things go. Don't be a shitty person. There's enough shitty people out in the world, especially right now. If you see anyone who needs help with something and you can help them, help them. If you're getting stuff delivered, give your delivery drivers a little extra tip because they're out there risking their lives to help us out. So just do whatever you can to help people. Be nice. And like I said, hope you're doing okay, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.